Hello there. Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to prepare for the HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate Exam. This video will be extremely useful if you plan to enroll in the HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate Exam. Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool that is the focus of the HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate Exam. What is the HashiCorp Terraform Associate? It is likely that you have used Terraform or considered it at one time or another when working in a multi-cloud environment. Terraform can be a crucial part of your infrastructure provisioning journey on AWS, GCP, and Alibaba Cloud throughout development, testing, and production. And it surely won't disappoint you to validate your Terraform skills by achieving the Terraform Associate certification. HashiCorp is a multi-cloud software company focused on open source tools. HashiCorp's most popular tool is Terraform, which allows DevOps engineers to provision infrastructure across a variety of cloud service providers, CSPs, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. An engineer who is certified as a HashiCorp Terraform Associate can demonstrate that they are proficient in using both the Terraform tool and the Terraform Cloud SaaS service if you want to become a DevOps engineer. A Terraform Associate is vital since Terraform has become the industry standard for infrastructure as a code, IAC, and tends to appear in DevOps jobs posting as an expected skill. Overview of the Terraform Associate. Among the domains of Terraform Associate are: understand the concept of infrastructure as code, IAC. Understand the concept of Terraform's purpose versus other IAC. Understand the concept of Terraform basics. Make use of Terraform's CLI outside of core workflow. Interact with Terraform modules. Navigate Terraform workflow. Implement and maintain state read, generate, and modify the configuration. Understand Terraform Cloud and enterprise capabilities. The target audience for the exam. If you want to apply for this certification, you must have a basic understanding of on-premises and cloud architecture as well as basic terminal abilities. Candidates with some Terraform experience are believed to be the top candidates for this exam. However, completing the exam objectives in a personal demo setting may suffice. How can I prepare for the exam? The exam is on Terraform 0.12.0 and higher. You should be familiar with Terraform 0.12.0's syntax and features. The Terraform study guide must be checked in detail. Go thoroughly through the definitions in exam review. You will find many theoretical questions there. Examine the sample questions. Few other things you will be tested on. Become familiar with the concepts of infrastructure as a code. Rewriting Terraform 0.11 code to 0.12 compatible code. Terraform Cloud and Terraform Enterprise version. Details about practical exams. Cost, timings, booking process. According to the official HashiCorp website, here are a few essential details about the exam. The exam is only available via online proctoring. You will need a webcam and a microphone. The exam can be completed in 1 hour. The test consists of about 45 questions. There is only one language option for the exam. Multiple choice. Fill in the blanks, and true or false questions appear on the exam. If you worked with Terraform before, it will be a lot easier. Practical steps to prepare. You can prepare for the exam by following these practical steps. You can review the HashiCorp study guide, which provides some handy online tutorials and reference documentation about the different core subjects you should know. Due to the popularity of the certification, we recommend you to enroll and study by watching online course videos through a trusted online learning platform such as Whizlabs. You will learn a lot about setting up the providers, gaining access, etc. by deploying resources into a fresh AWS account using Terraform. Using Terraform Cloud, create a Sentinel rule and test this with Terraform Cloud Remote Backend. Ensure that you cover all the topics in the exam review. To test your knowledge, take a few practice exams. On Whizlabs' official website, there are several sample papers to choose from. Here's how to schedule an exam. Visit the partner page of HashiCorp and log in via your GitHub credentials. Visit the GitHub domain and log in with your credentials. You can sign up for free if you don't already have an account signed up. Fill in the details to complete your profile. Click on Buy Exam at the top of the page as soon as it is prompted when you return to the home page post completion of filling in details for your profile. Complete the payment. Once done, click on My Assessments on the home page and you can schedule the examination at your convenience. Recheck the tech requirements before you start the examination and voila, you're ready. Conclusion. We hope that this video was helpful in clarifying and addressing your doubts, as well as guiding you through the HashiCorp certified Terraform Associate Exam.